In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pagefly Landing Page Builder on Shopify. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Pagefly from the Shopify App Store. This gives you access to the page builder inside your Shopify store, so you can create custom landing pages, product pages, collection pages, and even homepage layouts without needing to code. Once Pagefly is installed, go into your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then Themes, then Customize. Inside the Theme Customizer, open App Embeds and make sure Pagefly Assets is turned on. This step is important because it allows Pagefly elements and styling to load properly on your storefront. If this is not enabled, parts of your page may not display as expected. After that, open the Pagefly app and click Create a Page. You will then choose the type of page you want to build. Pagefly gives you several options, including a regular page, a product page, a collection page, or a home page. Pick the one that matches the kind of content you want to publish. Next, choose how you want to start building. You can select a ready-made template if you want a faster setup, or you can start from a blank page if you prefer full control over the design. Templates are helpful if you want a professional layout right away, while a blank page is better if you want to build everything from scratch. Once you are inside the editor, use the Add Element menu to drag and drop content onto the page. This is where you can add layouts, text blocks, buttons, and other sections. The editor is visual, so you can move things around and build your page in a way that feels natural. If you want to pull in store data, click the Shopify icon in the toolbar. From there, you can drag in dynamic product or collection content. This is especially useful when you want your page to display live information from your Shopify catalog instead of entering everything manually. Before publishing, use the device selector at the top of the editor to switch to mobile view. This lets you customize the layout specifically for mobile visitors, which is important because many customers will browse your store on their phones. Make any needed spacing, sizing, or layout adjustments so the page looks clean on smaller screens. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the page live on your store. That covers everything you need to know.